Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another Nick Snacks unboxing. Alright, we have a 5 value pack opening of 2023 Top Series 2 value packs. Alright, so 5 value packs. They're $6.99 plus tax each at your local Target. Alright, so how many cards total? 36 cards per pack. So it's at 180 cards total. Oh wow, very nice. Yeah, the Donruss value packs had 30 cards. So yeah, 36 cards. Alright, let's see how we do. Alright, value pack number 1. Alright, so lots of good rookies to look for. Alright, so that's the middle of the pack there. All right, let's see what we got. Middle of the pack. All right, Future Stars Rainbow Foil Jose Miranda. Tom Glavine, all aces. And we got a couple of the Stars of MLB cards. All right, Ohtani, very nice. And Xander Bogaerts. Right, for $6.99. You hit an Ohtani, I'm sure that's like a $5 card or something. Especially what he's been doing the last month, just insane. What, he hit 15 homers in the month of June. But no good rookies in that first pack, so not the best, but still a Future Star Rainbow Foil. And any Ohtani insert is always nice. Alright, pack 2. Alright, there we go. Francisco Alvarez. There's a big rookie. Alright, so that's the last card before we hit the parallel and inserts. Alright, Josh Young, another good rookie. Alright, let's see what this backward card is. Alright, we got Elias Diaz Gold to 2023. Julio Rodriguez World Baseball Classic. Very nice. We're up in the DR. And Stanton and Correa are Stars of MLB. Alright, so J-Rod, we got a gold. And a Young and a Francisco Alvarez. Yeah, at the price point, yeah, you definitely feel, you know, you get your value, even if you don't have the greatest pack. Hold on one sec. Time to reload the sleeves. And I'm a Mets fan, if you didn't know. It's always nice to hit an Alvarez. All right, value pack 3. And I do have another 5 value packs, so I will be doing another 5-pack opening. So yeah, this is pack opening number 1. All right, we got Oscar Colas, two-way player, or he was a two-way player. All right, we got a backwards card. All right, Ramon Urias Gold to 2023. All right, MJ Melendez World Baseball Classic, and now our MLB Stars cards. All right, rookie Tristan Cassis and Corbin Carroll. There we go. All right, the top rookie in the majors this year. A lot of good rookies too, man. But congrats to him and Josh Young for getting starting roles in the All-Star game. Definitely well deserved. I think Josh Young has been underrated. You look at his value. I know Corbin Carroll's value is shot up, but Josh Young, I think because he was out in Series 1. Oh, no. Yeah, he had, I think he had more cards out before Carroll. For some reason, yeah, Young. I know in Series 1 he wasn't on the base checklist, but there were, like, Josh Young cards in it. I don't know if Corbin Carroll was in. I don't think Corbin Carroll had any in Series 1. But don't quote me on that. But for whatever reason, yeah, Corbin Carroll has a lot of star power. And Josh Young, I think maybe after, you know, getting the All-Star start, maybe that'll help his value as well. Not that he's worth his autographs and stuff are cheap, but definitely putting up big numbers, and I just thought his value, last time I checked, should be much higher. But maybe things have changed now, you know. All right, value pack number 4. Mark Vientos for my Mets. And you could always, what's good about Topps flagship stuff, the retail, you can always hit like 101s and stuff. Remember years ago, I think 2016, I picked up a pack like this. It was either a hanger or regular pack. I don't know what it was. It was a retail pack. Wasn't out of a blast or just one pack. Could have been something like a value pack. And I hit a 1 of 1. It was a big Poppy and Albert Pujols card. It was called Poppy and the Prince. And I hit the Platinum 1 of 1 out of that. One of my best pulls from retail. That was sold a long time ago. But yeah, if you look that up on eBay or something, Poppy and the Prince, you'll see what card I'm talking about. Oh, we got a Chrome Stars of MLB card there. Oh, that's backwards out of nowhere. For no reason. Alright, no good rookies in there, but let's see the inserts. Alright, Alek Manoah is a Chrome Stars of MLB. Chipper Jones 88 All-Star. Alright, Gabriel Moreno Stars of MLB and Alek Manoah. Alright, so a rookie and a good player, but not one of the popular guys at the moment, value-wise. And this is Chrome. You can see the Topps Chrome logo on the top left. All right, last value pack. Ohtani. Arozarena is so underrated, man. I don't know if his last name doesn't have a nice ring to it or something. Something going on with his value. Just he's been good for a while. He's been clutching the playoffs. Just in Adalis, what a great young player. He's like an old soul. It just feels like Adalis Garcia's been playing the game for like, 20 years or something. Reminds me of like, yeah, their franchise, like Nelson Cruz or something. All right, Anthony Volpe, New York Yankee star. Exciting, speedy player and playing in the Bronx. In the pinstripes, that helps his value. All right, Bryce Terang, and then we got the middle of the pack behind that. All right, All-Star Kodai Senga with his Ghost Forkball. Another good rookie. Okay, let's see what we got. Royal Blue, Tyler Freeman rookie. Don't know much about him, but it is a rookie for the Guardians. Royal Blue, not numbered. And we got a Justin Turner. That's a rainbow foil. He was a very good utility player for the Mets, and then got traded to the Dodgers and ended up being a great player. Looks like he slimmed down a little bit too. Used to be a lot bigger. Kershaw, favorite son out of Texas. And Stars of MLB, Michael Harris. There we go. And DeGrom. Liked him better in a Mets uniform. Alright, so Michael Harris. Alright, guys, let's do a recap. So we'll see what we got for about $35 worth of packs. I've been doing the Donruss 5 value pack openings, and they're like the same price, $6.99 plus tax. I get 5% off with my Target credit card, and I have the Target Circle rewards points that I build to, so pretty much, I don't know, with those two together, yeah, pretty much negates like the tax for me or something, something like that. I know 5%, tax is more like 8.5% or 8.25 or whatever it is. But with the rewards and money back I get from it, it's like taking the tax off. So about $35 flat. All right, let's see what we got. So yeah, if you watch the Donruss, you can compare the Donruss to the Topps value packs. See, I think Donruss you get a lot more parallels, a lot more noteworthy cards. But you also have to figure you have the licensing with Topps, so probably hold more value. Definitely hold more value and bigger hit potential with Topps. But you could also hit an Ellie autograph or something, which are unlicensed or not selling like crazy now. Alright, so our top rookie cards. Alright, so we got Anthony Volpe, Kodai Senga, Josh Young, Francisco Alvarez, Oscar Colas. So averaging about one big rookie per pack. Alright, and then let's see the Stars of MLB. See the best ones we got. We got some good rookies here. Alright, so Gabriel Moreno, Tristan Casas, here's the big one, Corbin Carroll, Michael Harris, another good one, and Ohtani. We also hit an Ohtani base card. Those are two Ohtanis. All right, Alek Manoah, that was a Stars of MLB Chrome. Those are tougher to hit than the paper ones. Okay, we got a J-Rod World Baseball Classic. Gold to 2023, Ramon Urias and Elias Diaz. Rainbow foils, Jose Miranda, Justin Turner, and a Royal Blue Tyler Freeman rookie. And we also hit some other decent rookies with potential. Bryce Terang, Jordan Groshans, Mark Vientos, another Groshans. So Vientos was like the Mets' number 3 prospect in their farm for a while. Terang, I believe, second rounder for the Brewers. Groshans was a first rounder for the Blue Jays, traded to the Marlins now. And let's see the other inserts. All right. So favorite son, Clayton Kershaw, Chipper Jones All-Star, MJ Melendez World Baseball Classic, All Aces, Tom Glavine. And Stars of MLB are other ones. Stanton, Correa, Xander, Alek Manoah, Jacob deGrom. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. More of these pack openings, unboxings on the way. Thank you guys.